Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Daily EPL Talk. And in today's episode, what we will be covering is all the tweets that came up today on Twitter around various clubs. And obviously, the talk of today was mostly centered around Champions League and, of course, Cristiano Ronaldo and Manchester United. So, that will obviously be the major thing, but what a match it was and what a dramatic ending. Well, a typical Manchester United performance, but seen after a very, very long time. So, let's get started with what the fans have been tweeting all day today. Alright, so the first one is from Connor. He says, I see CR7 did the business against Villa Real tonight, but couldn't against the Real Villa last Saturday. So, we thought this was pretty hilarious, Connor. And I have to say, this is one of the very cheeky tweets that you have written today. Anthony Prado says, we finally got a striker, cool. So this is in relation to Chelsea. And he says, we finally got a striker, cool. Now, can we actually provide some kind of service to the striker? So there is some frustration that is brewing up in Chelsea's fans about the fact that they did not score any goals since last two matches, whether it was against City, they lost 1-0 against City, as well as now today against Juventus, they lost 1-0 as well. Then the next one is from Gerhard's daughter, who says, LUFC, we definitely need plenty of points on board before December, when on paper we have some really hard games coming up. Well, that's true actually. Leeds have had some really bad performances, so they better have some points before their tough fixtures start coming in. So very good one. Then the next one is from Bewildered 2. No, this law only applies to Harvey Barnes. So obviously this is another cheeky dig at the goal that Manchester United scored today, which was posted on the photograph as an offside goal. And then the next one is from Antonio Conte, who again says that Chelsea doesn't know how to use Romelu Lukaku amid his goal drought, but says they can win the Champions League if Tuchel can figure it out. Well, it's easier said than done, Mr. Conte, but I'm sure Tuchel will talk about it in his press conference. Then another one came out from Manchester City was about the fact that this is not really official club tweet, so that's why we are considering it, that Leonardo Bonucci, the Euro Championship winner with Italy, has actually called out and said that he was very close to realizing his dream to be coached by Pep Guardiola. Well, it did not happen. A lot of things did not happen, including Harry Kane going to City. So let's see if anybody thinks that City will not win this season. It's because they did not have a good transfer window for sure. The next one is from Saints, Sean Barton, who says, would you take Ronald Koeman back if we got rid of Hasenhuttl? Well, these are two managers who have always been in the news about getting sacked. Not as much as Ralph Hasenhuttl for probably a few months, but definitely Ronald Koeman. And if he comes back to Premier League, it will be another good addition of a good manager. Then the next one is from Ollie Davis, who says Premier League abuse position in Newcastle takeover. So this is something which is further to check out, but it's a very good insight that has been given that Premier League is corrupt. Well, I wouldn't comment on that, but Premier League was improperly influenced by other clubs before blocking the takeover. This takeover has really been messy, both in terms of how Mike Ashley took it, as well as how the Premier League has handled it. Then the next one is from Spurs, who have been given a warning by UEFA because of the logo issue. So very interesting things, come out on the tweet, and that's why we love looking at the tweets. Who would have thought that a wrong logo would cause such a big furore? And finally, on the last leg, Leon Leggy says, I think the Premier League should have a retro kit. Excellent idea. I think this Leon has to go to Premier League for a suggestion that they should have a one retro kit. Every club should have one retro kit which they wear at least once or twice in the season. Excellent suggestion. And the second last is from Watford's fan, which is, who knew that little old Watford is a big spender than the mighty Barca? Well, we know Barcelona is going on a mighty down south direction, and what else could have gone bad that they today lost against Benfica 3-0. But comparing it to Watford and saying that Watford has a better wage bill than Barca or a better spending than Barca, take it, Premier League is the best. And lastly, it's from a West Ham fan, again a very cheeky and very interesting tweet which says that they just can't wait to meet Barcelona in the Europa League. Can you imagine that? I cannot. I mean, Barcelona in Europa League. Wow. And West Ham, imagine playing and defeating them. Amazing. So, let's hope it comes true. How did you like this section? Do let us know. Short and sweet, but hopefully you like it.